Hi guys and welcome on my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to add a second clock on a Redmi phones. So here I have a Redmi Note 15 5G, is the same also for the Pro version and the other Redmi phones. And right now I have only one clock on this phone. Also if I go to lock screen, here is just one clock. Now to add the second one you need to go on your phone to settings and here swipe and tap on additional settings. And here we have date and time. Swipe again and here we have dual clock. Now first you need to enable this feature, tap here and dual clock will be displayed on lock screen, home screen and turn it off screen. Tap on got it and now you need to select the second clock. Right now it's selected London, but from here you can change the region. For example, I will choose Hong Kong. Tap on it and now this is the second clock. Here there is, and if you exit and go to home screen, now we have two clocks. The first one is from my region and the second one is from Hong Kong. Also we have two clocks on the lock screen and on the turn it off screen. So this was my video for today. It's easy to do it. I also hope this video to be useful for you and see you to the next one. Have a nice day.